Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to turn off auto update on Play Store on Infinix Hot 4 device. Well, knowing how to turn off auto updates on the Play Store gives you more control over when applications are updated on your device. It allows you to manage data usage, ensure app stability, and prevent unwanted changes or features introduced by new updates. So, how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first step, you can go to the Play Store application, and then you can tap on profile icon here. So now you can select settings option, and in this page you can select network preferences. Okay, and then click on the second option. After that, here you can choose to tap Don't Auto Update Apps. Okay, so now the auto updates on Play Store is successfully turned off. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off auto updates on Play Store on Infinix Hot 4 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.